All right, welcome back, everyone. It's Irving here, Team with Irving. Welcome to another session. Today, we are gonna be reviewing our pre-week analysis that we did on Saturday and our full week video that we did on Sunday. So we are gonna put both video into one idea using multiple time frame. Remember, this is it, guys. Today is the last day of September. September is gone, it's over, it's finito, it's done. So now we are gonna be trading starting next week all October. So October, guys, but then we're gonna start seeing the market very slow, very crazy movement based on what we're going right now in real time. There is a election here in USA, so there's a lot of, please check the news. Remember, I don't do signals. You can use the data however you want, but they are pretty accurate. So we are here trading with multiple time frame systems. So let's get to the point. Let's get to work. And we are gonna go ahead and start with GBP CHF. Pay attention to what I told you guys on Sunday. This was our Sunday video. I clearly said the market was gonna drop. It didn't drop in that time. It went, boom, it went bullish. So it's fine. So look, I told you guys that, let me go ahead and bring the arrow. I said the market was gonna drop. Why it's not working? Hold on. Boom, boom, boom. Hold on. I don't know what is going on with this one today. Huh. Wait a minute, let me see. I don't know, guys. But something is wrong with my Epic Pen. You know what? Let me delete it and reopen it again. Sometimes they want me to update the version. Epic Pen. If you guys want to download this Epic Pen, guys, it's pretty neat. It just doesn't cost that much. It's about probably like 20 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. And then you can draw on your chart, do whatever you want. There you go. That's what it was. It was updating. This is what I told you guys on Sunday. I said on Sunday, the market was going to pull back and retest our 23, and then it was going to be bullish. No, the market went up. If you would have put 30, 40 pip, yes, the market would have taken you out on this one. So we are going to call GBP CHF as a bad trade. So our goal here is to win at least 75% of out of 100. So, and let me go ahead and write it here because I get a lot of text, guys, behind scene. Let me delete the sounds, man. I get a lot of text behind scene. And so, Irving, what kind of system is that you're trading? So for now, I say I'm gonna write it here every time. So it's called multiple time frame system. So we are trading our 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. Then we enter in on any lower time frame because we already know what's going on with the larger time frame. So we are gonna call this as a bad business here. Boom, one bad trade is not a bad deal. So we are gonna go ahead and move on with the next one. The next one, it is the USD CHF. Pay attention to what I told you guys on Sunday on this one. This is the Sunday. I said on Sunday the market was gonna drop. Perfect hit. Come in, retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. Boom. Perfect, guys. Perfect. From there, I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 23.6 Fibonacci line. Gorgeous, gorgeous, perfect. It did exactly what I told you. So this is our second trade that we are analyzing. So we are 1-on-1. So we are even. Let me bring someone want me to give him access. So far we have 1-on-1. So hey, remember, I'm on 2 trades on this analysis that I'm here, guys. And market is continue paying me what I knew the market was gonna pay. So it feels so good. Remember, guys, this is not signal. And I just want to clarify, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader. But some of these trades analysis that I do here are my real trades during the week. I don't trade them all, but at least I trade and grab very, very nice pips out of it. So do your analysis on the weekend. Anyway, this is already done. And check Mr. Jay Flores. He does analysis as well. And he does a little bit different, but very, very accurate. So maybe you can capture some different idea from there. And I want to congratulate all the guys that are killing it behind scene. To be honest, guys, I'm super proud of you guys. Let me see if I can bring the chat room. I'm super proud of you guys. You guys are killing it. And my vision when I was putting this together was to see a team of traders to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars. For instance, I know my team is here, right? So let me see if I can do it different. Bear with me. This is probably it's not gonna do it. I don't even know how to do it. Oh, there you go. Oh, God damn it. Let's do it. It's here. All right, let's bring it here. Look at this guys here, guys. Look at this guys. They are pretty amazing, guys. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. 7,000, all that stuff. This is the vision that I have for you guys, to be honest. Super proud of you guys, man. Keep making those pips. Keep rolling. Let me see if I can find another one. This is the same, guys. Look, here's the system, guys. And there's so many other stuff, but hey, it is what it is. Super proud of you guys. Keep rolling. And that was like my vision all the time. So let's go ahead and analyze AUD USD. Pay attention on AUD USD. Same thing, guys. I told you market was gonna perform exactly what I told you in here. So I say clearly on Sunday, the market was gonna be bullish, retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there, I thought the market was gonna do a small pullback. No, boom! Market went all the way to my original TP, which was gonna be hit on that 38.2 Fibonacci line. Actually it was a 38 to a 50 Fibonacci line. If you pay attention to this one, guys, because we are live. You here with me. And I know Elliott know this answer here. You know what? Let's bring Elliott here. Elliott, you can unmute yourself. Explain everyone here, because this is the first time that you guys gonna participate on this one. But this you already did this analysis for you on Sunday. So I want you to help me out and explain the world and explain the traders they are behind scene as well. Why do you think I came in and I put the predicted on the 38.2 Fibonacci line? Go ahead.
Oh, hi. Yeah, sure. Well, first of all, the master trend is bullish. Hold on, there's a lawnmower coming right by my office.
No problem. Yes, he's right, guys. So master trend is bullish. So so what we were looking here is pay attention here. The brothers and sisters popping in here telling us the market was going to be in a buy position. This area here is our golden area. So for us to take the TP, right? So that's exactly what happened. It came in here, retested there. And now what we're waiting from this particular area is we're looking for more evidence for the market to do a small pullback. Then we'll continue as bullish. But I wanted to come in today and tell you exactly how the market was performing as of today. So remember, guys, this is the week of the election. There will be a lot of stuff. Market today was amazingly. I make tons of pips. I was super excited. I don't know what to expect out of the election. So as long as you have rules, guys, stick to the rules. The rules will never, sometimes they have to go against you. There is no such a perfect system in this business. There is no way, but all you need to know is what is your support and resistance, the most touchable support and resistance, and go with it. I don't know. I know my team is behind scene here on using Zoom, but I don't know if you guys are seeing it. You guys that are watching me on YouTube, if you guys are having the system kind of like tell you what the market is about to do or whatever it's doing. So congratulate you. But I mean, here it is. Look, this is what I knew the market was going to do. I knew the market was in a buy position. Boom. Now what we're seeing here, market it is going to come down, take a break. But that's what it is. Elliot, let me know if those guys are gone so I can.
They are gone.
All right, let me go ahead and give you the next one. All right, so this is interesting. Okay, good. All right, hold on. Let me go ahead and give you this one. This is, look, before you say something. I told you the market was gonna do this. Exactly what it came in there. Now, explain everyone. Let me see if I can give you a hint. Let me make it a little bit smaller. Yes, you see it? All right, so now that you saw it, that's a key area, right what I told you. So to explain everyone, why do you think I did this analysis exact same level that it was gonna be hit on the 50? Go ahead and explain this one if you can.
Oh, I had to press my on button. Yeah, sure. So the first thing is we determined the master trend, which is down.
Right.
And then we look for our brothers and sisters, and you see them at the top there, and they're pointing down. So that's, you know, that's why we're going short in that market. And then if you look at the brothers and sisters at the bottom of the screen, to the left of that green, no, all the way to the right and down a little.
No, pay attention
The
here.
other right.
What am I doing? Look at here. You see that?
That's our first support or profit target area.
That's the first one that I put in. So
Right.
that's all I care. Because remember, I'm giving this out to the world, so you guys know more. But this since I'm coming back on Wednesday, all I want the world to see, okay, you know, the analysis came on point, boom, perfect hit. So right now it's resting exactly on this area here, on this support and resistance. So now from there, what do you think? Oh, it's here. And then I said, once it hit the 50 Fibonacci line, the market was gonna do what? It was gonna be a bullish. Obviously, I didn't have this arrow here. Now it's here. Now look, the market is doing exactly what I told you. So now all I can think the market is gonna do next is do a small retest, retesting the 38 to or 23 Fibonacci line for the rest of the week, and that's it. But so far, that's good. But yes, I agree with you. That is one. Which one is the second one? This one and this one is good. See, these two are even.
Mm-hmm.
So that could be your next target. This could be your TP1, right? What is gonna be your TP2? It's gonna be here.
Down by with the two close brothers and sisters from two different times, right there, right where your arrow is.
That's it. It's that simple, guys. And
And so Irv, can I just say one thing? If this is going out to the world and on YouTube, guys, you gotta send a personal message to Irvin, and he'll tell you about his system. It's extremely powerful, and the guys that he refers to as behind the scenes, which I am one, we all use it, and we're making a killing. So consider that, all you guys in the audience.
good. Thank you, Ellie. Appreciate that. All right, so let's go ahead and if someone want to unmute yourself and explain the next example, you know what we're gonna do every Wednesday? I think this will help you guys. Is I'm gonna go ahead and do the video on Saturday and Sunday, and then I'm gonna give you the opportunity to you guys, to my crew, to explain why I was thinking whatever analysis I did on that pair. For instance, the next pair. So far, we got 4 out of 4. We got only 1 going against us, which is fine. So let's go to the next one. USD CHF. Pay attention to this one. If anybody else wants to unmute, please do let me know and explain why do you think I did this analysis on USD CHF as a bearish. If you can figure it out, let me know. This will help you out, believe me. Even if you're wrong, I will correct you, or maybe we're gonna give the opportunity to someone else to master this stuff, because this is easy, guys. This is super easy. It's just a matter of knowing exactly what we're doing. Anyone? If not, I'm gonna do it myself. Bemet, are you there? Folsa, Mr. Frederick, I know you just joined. Mr. Gret, Mr. Harold, I know Mr. Harold loves to come in. Mr. Harold, let me know. Mahmoud, oh, Mr. Mahmoud, I think he's in the UK. Let me know if you want to do this one as well, or the next one, whatever. We got how many opportunity? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 7 more trades to be in. So let me know. I need 7 more traders. So if you guys want to learn more, put yourself on the spot. But let me go ahead and do this one. All right. Pay attention. This is the USD CHF. I told you guys the market was going to be in a sell position. It's simply, look at here. We had our brothers and sisters already letting us know the market it was ready to drop. So what I just choose and say, okay, so this brothers and sisters here it was over. So it was time for the market to do a reversal coming down. So now that's what I said. The market was gonna come back and retest mid 23 to our 38 Fibonacci. Perfect hit. From there, I said the market was gonna come back and meet the 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. Look at this. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. And then from there, now we're here live. What it's gonna do next is, let me go ahead and give permission to, what it's gonna do next is the market will drop now. It's doing it right now as we speak. But here's the 4 hours, but the 4 hour has not closed yet. So as long as it doesn't close, I don't care. Market's still in a bearish position. Hopefully that makes sense. Because I don't want you guys to be dependent. And so Irvin, yes, but I do see the multiple 4 hours in there. Yes, it is. But the candle has not closed yet. So in my opinion, the market is still trending down. Okay, I don't see no clear day. We need to have full verification in order for us to say, okay, the market is bullish. We need to see that green, and then we need to see multiple dots confirming that that area is ready to go. It's over. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and, so this one was another great one. And let me see. Yes, I got my 2 pairs in there, guys. That's all. This week, I'm just trading only 2 pairs. That's it. I could have had trading all these 12 pairs and lose maybe 1 or 2, but I chose not to do it because I knew the election was the first debate was yesterday, so I was scared. I didn't know what to expect out of the market, so I was like, you know what? Let me relax. Let me learn from this one because it's new. This is new. So, but yeah, but the system works. Let's go ahead and do the next one, the GBP USD. And a lot of people are asking me about gold. Gold is coming, guys. So let me read the YouTube. Give indication about gold, please. Oh yeah, it's coming, Mr. Rana. You will see it, how we use it. Marcus says, can't wait for gold. Gold is coming as well. So let's wait. Let's just hold your horses in there. All right. So anybody want to come in and explain why I did this analysis as a bullish? If you can, unmute yourself and go ahead and beat yourself with this one because it's very easy. Look, it's really easy. It did exactly what I told you. All you got to do is figure it out if you can. If not, then I'm gonna do it for you. All right. This is, look. Let me make this bit smaller because this is easy, guys. First of all, since you're here, right? Look, market is bullish, right? That's our first question. Second question is, what is our brothers and sisters doing? Look, there's multiple brothers and sisters, don't get me wrong. There's one here telling us the market is in a sell. I love to teach only real time. Real time market is giving us a bullish market. It's clearly saying there, hey, I'm in a bullish market, right? So the last question you need to ask yourself is, what is my multiple 4 hours doing? So in this scenario here, boom, market is bullish. It's telling us the market is bullish. Then I told you guys that the market was going to be weird on GBP USD because we had the bearish market here, and then we had the other buy bullish market here. But since the market is bullish, then just go with the trend. Money is, if the market is bullish, just be bullish. If the market is bearish, just be bearish. So this is what I call out GBP as a bullish market, even though that I said the market was weird on this one. But sometimes when you trust the system, you go with it. Now I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 23.6 Fibonacci line. Boom, perfect hit. From there, I said the market was gonna drop. Look at that, it came a bit short, but it did exactly what I told you. And then market is continuing being a bullish. Yes, I'm seeing it right now as we speak. There is a 4 hours pointing down. The question here is, that you need to ask yourself is has the candle closed yet? No, it's not. Now, guys, this is one way of trading. Remember, you can trade this one. You can enter on Monday, exit on Fridays. If you want to be scalping the market, there's plenty of opportunity to be scalping the market. You can come in once you have one red arrow on the 4 hours. You can pop in on the 5 minute and you know, grab and scalp the market that way. Because right now the market is dropping on 5 minute. You want to see it? All right, because we here live. Pay attention here. But when you're scalping the market, you need to learn how to grab money. Look at here. This is what we're seeing on the 4 hour. Look at how simple our system is, guys. Look at that. Boom. It's telling us market is bearish. And this candle has not closed yet on the 4 hours. But here on the 5 minute is a beast. Look at this. Boom. You could have just get out right on this first leg here. Done. Could have grabbed your $30, $40, $50, whatever is in your mind. Get out. You're done. Finito. It's over. Since it's not fully ready yet on the 4 hours, I will wait for what? 1 or 2 or 3 more red dots. Then I will continue as a bearish. All right. So this is another way. You need to find your niche, because I always going to be saying that, because sometimes people say, okay, Irvin, let me see if I'm a scalper or going long term. I just don't know. You got to find out who you really are. But the market will reward you if you are obedient. This is one of my favorite pair, the USD Peso. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I knew the market was in a downtrend, because the market, the system, multiple time frame told me the market was in a sell. So all I have to do is go with the system. So in this scenario here, and this, by the way, I think Anita, we failed yesterday to communicate with her. But I told her yesterday there was nothing wrong with the USD Peso, to be honest. Absolutely nothing wrong. I remember this pair last week. We didn't have no evidence whatsoever the market was gonna be in a bullish position. There was no arrow here whatsoever at all. You can go watch the video that I did on Sunday. So I told you guys the market was still in a sell position. So that's what I call this one, to come in and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci. Look at this guy, perfect hit. From there, I said the market was gonna come back and retest this high here. Look at here, right now it's doing it as we speak. So, but the candle has not closed yet. So I need to wait. If there's gonna be probably 2 or 3 more candle or come in retest our 23 Fibonacci line, then the market will continue back down. But it's that simple. So I don't know where or how she was doing it, because yesterday I was assuming that she was doing it in a different way. So always, guys, zoom out and check. Okay, I'm in a bearish position. Yes, I am. Second question is, what am I doing? What is my brothers and sisters doing? Okay, this scenario here is saying I'm in a bearish position. Fine. So what is my real time 4 hours doing in this one here? It was bearish as well. So all you got to do is be bearish. That's why I say, okay, guys, this pair is perfect. I mean, for Monday was perfect. Today is Wednesday. So now the market is doing a small retracement, right? But what do you think is on the 5 minute? Because this is good. Look at here. So let me go ahead and zoom it out back to normal view. So I knew the market was going to be in a sell position. Boom, perfect hit. Pay attention to this one. What do you think now is on the 5 minute? Let's say you love to scalp the market and grab a few pips out of it and walk away. Well, the 5 minute is in a buy position, guys. It's paying you. You want to see it? Because look, you're here for the first time live with me. So we all doing this together. So look at here. Come on. Look at that. It's not moving because obviously there's not plenty of information on the 4 hours. But look at how this 4 hours so damn powerful, guys. Hold on, let me remove this. Look at how powerful this stuff is. See, this is real life. We are real time on the market. Look at it here. You could have scalped the market on the 5 minute, grab the pips in there and walk away. Done. That could be your whatever. Pay some bills out of it. But overall here, market still what? It's still in a downtrend. This market is in a bearish position. So if you don't know how to trade PV, remember, PV is bad business. PV stands for pullback. Pullback is bad business as long as you know what you're doing. If you are gonna be trading pullback, make sure you learn how to grab 20 to 30 pip the max and walk away. Or whatever profit you are in it and you know that you are doing a PV, take your money and walk away as if you don't know what you're doing. But I mean, it's there. Look at that. There's no data, guys. There's no data on the 4 hours. Yeah, the market is gonna be a long bullish position, but you could have scalped the market and make some pips out of it. Let's go back to the 4 hours so you can see it. Look at here. There's no data there. Market's still doing what? Market's still dropping. And please never zoom out too much on the trade, guys, because sometimes people go like, Irvin, I don't understand what the market, it seems like the market is going sideways. Well, if you zoom out too much, then you're not gonna understand what the market is doing. But look at that, boom, bearish. Look, this guy here in the 5 minutes, a beast, man. Hopefully, find your niche, whatever way you think is easier for you, do it. And make sure if you guys want to add the moving average, but I use the 13 and the 26. So if you want to use those, that's fine. And once those cross over and it goes with the rules, that is a plus. You can take that in. I mean, it's extra confirmation. But those are the only one, because this is the 200. I think this is 100, 200. Yeah, this is the 100, but you can put it on 200 as well. Okay, because you can change it. Let me see if I can change it right in front of you. All right, let's go ahead and put it here, 200. It will not change anything. Look at that. I would rather leave it on 100. But you can put 50. You can do whatever you want. But this is another way. The benefit of this one is that it's gonna change it, or you can change it to what, 50? Let's say you put it on 50. I don't know what you want to do in here, but let's say you put it on 50, right? Boom. You see that? It came almost at the same touch. You can put it on what? You can put it on 26. What is it? 21. A lot of you guys like 21, right? Or 20, whatever. It's there. Look at that. Perfect hit. You could have got in an early stage. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. But I just don't like it like that. I ready to see it from far away. But anyway, it's your choice. But you can customize the system however you want. So I recommend either 100 or 200. Or you can add an extra moving average, but this one will give you will change the color based on the market, if the market is bullish or bearish. All right. All right, let's go to gold. Yes, who's that?
Question, sir. How are you?
Hey, what's going on, man?
Good. Okay, quick question. So if I'm on the 4 hour, and in this case, as soon as the green arrow pop in, pointing up, I jump down to the 5 minute, and I'm able to scalp at that point?
Yes, sir.
Immediately, pretty much.
Pretty much. But you got, look, when you scalp in the market, it doesn't mean that you're gonna be on this for long term.
Right.
So look, it's here. We're here live. This cannot get more real than this. You tell me, is the market pay you or not? It's clean in there. Hold on, let me grab the tool here for some.
No, absolutely. It absolutely did.
Boom, look at that. How much pip do you guys need? I just don't know. You could have said, you know what, let me take my first TP on the Fibonacci level, get it in here. Don't be greedy and say, you know what, I'm gonna wait for the 38. No, grab some and get out. Because remember, you just scalping the market. But there's money there. But by the way, congratulations, Mike. You are killing it. You are becoming a role model for others. And thank you, man. I'm very proud of you. That was my vision, like I always say, to see you guys to be very profitable traders, change your life forever. And once you had this on your belt, it's there for life, man. This is an art. So you drawing this, oh gosh, this is beautiful. But congratulations to you. All right, so that was a good question. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's go to gold. Actually, we're gonna leave gold to the end because there's a lot of you guys on YouTube desperate to see what gold is doing. So I'm gonna let you hold on tight. So far, how many trades have we analyzed so far? All right, so let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7 trades, only one is going negative. Hey, still what? 95% winning ratio. We don't want that. We want 75, but hey, it is what it is. It's only 1 out of 7, so that's good. Let's go to Euro GBP. Look, I'm on this trade, guys, as sell. Even this morning, I told you guys, market is still paying me as a sell. Yesterday, we came here live with you, and this guy was not ready there yet. I remember. I entered somewhere here in the top. So that was my first entry. So and I put my stop loss somewhere in here. I thought this guy was gonna take me out. And I told you, I explained this one yesterday, that as soon as this guy pop in, let me grab the right tool. As soon as this arrow pop in, I was gonna re-enter because I was on all this profit here. And then when I see this pullback, this is a pullback, right? When I saw this pullback here, I said, gosh, but I still didn't want to get out because I knew that overall here we are in a sell position. So I said, you know what? I'm going to add more position as soon as I see the 4 hours confirmation here. So this morning I add more position into this one. And now I'm breaking even. Basically, the money that I lost here, I'm getting it back. And market's doing what? Still dropping. Can you imagine? You would have scalped this market as well on 5 minutes. Look, this is what Mike, by the way, guys, if you never heard Mike's voice, that was Mike. That's the king of the Forex. Look, let's go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes is killing it, guys. 5 minutes is making you tons of pips. One thing look, this is the 5 minute. Before I move and I tell you something else. Look at here. Here's the 4 hours, right? Boom. You could have grabbed all that money. It's still dropping, guys. Still dropping. It's that simple, man. To be honest.
Hey, Irvin, I have a confession. I'm not that Mike, but
who's the other Mike then?
That's Mike. I think it's Mike Thomas, and there's a Mike Alexa as well.
Okay,
so I'm trying to get in that Mike group.
So we need a Mike to participate. I thought you were the Mike. So since Mike has become very popular, so I thought it was you. But anyway, you are the brother of Mike. So Mike 1, Mike 2. But anyway, that is how you're gonna be scalping the market on the 5 minutes. So it's
Hey, Irv.
Yes, sir.
It's Elliott. While we're talking about the 5-minute scalp system,
Yes.
I just have a question. What do you do for stop loss? Do you put one in, or do you just sort of watch the market in the scalping mentality and kind of go with it like that?
Well, if you're gonna do that, always secure yourself putting the stop loss, because we don't know if always check the news. Rule number 1 in this business and any other business, whatever you're gonna be doing on the market, is always secure, put stop losses, put 20, 10, 20 pip above your 4 hours in case the mark spike out. If it take you out, it's take you out. It's nothing we can do, but always secure yourself. Now, let's say let's go to 5 minutes. So this would be your stop loss. Now, let me go to 5 minutes. Let me delete this because it's not gonna make sense on the 5 minutes. I don't know if you are doing this, scalping the market, but it's there because I mean, not everyone has the time to be in front of the PC. Some other traders work full time. But if you would have ended on this one, this is what I do. I put like 20, 30 pip above here, my stop loss. And now, if you're gonna be sitting in front of your computer, or if you're going with the trend, this is what I would tell you to do. As soon as you start making pip, move your stop loss and secure some pips, and just do the trailing stop as you go like that, because we don't know how far it's gonna go. Now we can say, okay, it's gonna stop in the next brothers and sisters, And from there, the market is gonna do a reversal. And this scenario here, the market D stop on the brothers and sisters as a PV, but I was still on this trade. I was not scared to say I'm gonna get out because I know I'm going with the trend. Look at what the market is doing right now, still dropping. Look as we speak. This is real time, still dropping. I ain't scared. I'm pretty good on this one. So the next one that I'm in is on the Euro USD. But still, I'm only on 2 trades this week. That's all I need, man. Look, this is the what? The 8 out of 8. We got only 1 against us. It's not a bad deal. Hopefully that makes sense, Elliott.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. But
And eight wins and 1 loss in your report is exceptional.
Exceptional. You got
And you actually do that week after week after week after week. So
sure.
I appreciate that you're humble, but I think you're doing an excellent job.
Yeah. Yeah, it's because you see, I trade with rule, guys, and this is all it matters to me. And when I was putting the system together, I just didn't want to be drawing all the support and resistance. That's what I created the most respected areas to be touchable. And then look, market don't lie. Look, sometimes I get surprised. I go like, damn, man, the way I have created this one, because this, it was a lot of note back and forth. This didn't work. This method didn't work. This, I took almost 2 years putting this together. But now look at this. Arrow come in, perfect time. Look at that. Arrow come in, perfect drop. Look, market still dropping as we speak right now. And by the way, for those that are behind scene, I know I'm gonna do a sell pitch here. The one that you guys are, oh, I don't even have it here anyway. But if you guys want to join us, guys, on YouTube, the YouTubers that are watching, come in. The link is in the description. But it is, that's if you want to make money. If not, that's fine. All right, so I'm gonna leave go to the end.
Hey,
And
Irving.
yes, sir.
Hey, this is Harold Greer. How you doing today?
Hey, Mr. Who's this? Mr. Harold.
Harold, yeah.
Mr.
Hey, I
Harold.
just want to say that scalping system has been saving me lately. That's all I've really been doing. I take that 5 minutes and I watch it and I run it and I get out of it. You know, I set a stop loss. That's the best thing you can do because I've had a problem. I walked away from the trade a couple of times forgetting about it. Came back and I went negative on me. But usually out of 5 trades, I usually win 3 every day. I mean, 5, I usually win 3.
That is exactly what I keep saying over and over again. We are here to win 75 out of 100. We're not here to aim 100%. If you do, congratulations. I'm not here to be perfect. If sometimes, don't get me wrong, some weeks you will go 100% on your trades.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes, month after month, you're gonna go 100%. But I don't want you to get to the habit of saying, you know what, this is such an imperfection thing. No, it's not. There's things that some trades will have to go against us. Unfortunately, that's part of doing business. But you need to win more than what you're gonna be losing.
Hey, hold on for a second.
Okay, but that's good. So congratulations.
Yeah, it's been a blessing to me. I tell you, and the biggest thing, I always move into profit. I just keep moving into profit until I get to a point where I ain't comfortable. Then I shut it down.
That's it. That's it. That's the whole reason of scalping the market. So you should not be in the market for so long. Because whatever goal you have, some people make $120 a day. So this is super easy to make that and done. And you got no balls around your neck. But look at this one. This is the USD JPY. So on this was Saturday, right? On Saturday, I told you guys the market was gonna drop down, retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. A bit short, but still did exactly what I told you. And then from there, I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 78.6 Fibonacci line. No, it came and retested your 61.8 Fibonacci line. Look at now, right now, if we have to analyze the market in here, right now, if you go to the 5 minute, this is a huge drop if you will be scalping the market here. So right now, we got the brothers and sisters going where? Going bearish market. So let's go to the 5 minutes so you can see the huge drop that is on the 5-minute if you would be scalping the market in there. And I'm giving you a lot of nuggets. And I know the YouTube community probably, I don't know if they're, I'm pretty sure they don't have our system, but if you guys want to join us, fine. If not, it's fine, keep watching. But this is not, they're not signals, guys. But I mean, it is what it is. Look at this movement. This is crazy, guys. Look at the 5-minute. Gosh, look. This is the entry that we had on the 4 hours. Here it is. Boom, brothers and sisters popping in there. Look at here. Here's the 4 hours, and then the market drop. This is what Mr. Harrow's doing as well. He's copying the market. He's going with the trend. I mean, I don't even know what trend is this one, to be honest. But even if you scalp the market, look at that drop. Boom. If you become greedy, that's when greed will, it's not good. Just make sure you have a goal in mind. That's it. Look at what happened here. Huge engulfing candle. Boom. It took some of your profit. No, man. As soon as you are happy with whatever you are making, scalping the market, get out. If in my opinion is, if you want to trade with the trend like that, you're gonna trim it as you go, but you're never gonna get out if you don't want to. Exact same thing what I'm doing on Euro GBP. But this is very simple, man. Oh gosh, I get super excited, guys. All right, who wants to do Euro USD? Anybody? Let me know. You can unmute yourself and do it from scratch. I mean, it's pre-done already. All you gotta do is try to think why I'd say the market was gonna do whatever it's doing right now. Because I'm on this trade here. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh gosh, look at this one. I told you I was only on 2 trades this week. It was Euro GBP and Euro USD. That's it. Because I was scared. I didn't know what to expect on yesterday's election. I thought, you know, the market was gonna collapse. I was scared. I mean, I remember we invested our money in the market, so things can go on the wrong side as well. But as long as you trust the system, you go with the trend. If the trend is bullish, most likely it's still gonna be bullish because it has to switch. And here, if you pay attention in here, we got no indication whatsoever the market is gonna be bearish. And today is the last day of September. Today is it, right? Let me check this one. Yes, today is the last day, guys. So that means a lot of new setups are gonna be showing up on your chart. Pay attention, a lot of new monthly are gonna be setting it up. So far, the Euro USD still in a buy position. Because look, don't get me wrong, it's perfect right now, it's perfect. If this one would have been, we got the 4 hours daily and weekly here. So what do we are missing in this one? We are missing this guy here. So now, if it didn't show up by today, then most likely we can expect this one to see it tomorrow. It's gonna be October 1st, right? So we can see this one is gonna swap place and it's gonna be here on the top. If it does, then now we officially have a what? We have a bearish market. But right now, still in a buy position. That's why I was not afraid. I was still trusting the system. And I said, you know what? The market's still bullish. I just got to go bullish. That's all I have to do. And this is what I came in and tell you on Saturday. I said, the guys, market is going to be bullish, retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line. No, market came in and retested the second level, which was the 38 Fibonacci line. From there, that's what the market is doing. What? Look at here. Here's the 4 hours. If you move into the 5-minute, that's a huge drop in the 5-minute. And look, market is still dropping, but this is what? This is a PV. PV. You want to trade the PV? Sure you can, but don't stay too long. But I always say PV is bad business. If you don't know what you're doing, don't trade it. I don't recommend you to do it. By the way, look at what gold is doing. Gold says that on the daily is bullish, but we'll go into that one in a second. But look at here on the 5-minute. We're doing PV right now, right? I'm telling you, man. Look at this PV here, gorgeous. Right here, here it is. Look, Mr. Harris doing this as well. Look at that. The Hero grabbed some of that pip. Probably he'll say, you know what, Irvin? I'm more than happy with whatever I got here. I'm out. Thank you so much. He don't have to be in here. He don't have to. He's done. Because, I mean, you got to find your niche. What kind of trader are you? But there it is. This is the scalping method. And you can use, like I said, the two moving averages, the 13 and 26. If you want to use the RSI, the 80 and 20, it's fine. You can use that, but it's fine. I mean, it is what it is. It's there. All right, let's go to the last one. So far, guys, look at this one. So far, I know it's only one that it went against us. One, come on, let me count them all. 1, 2, 3, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So out of 10, only one is going against us. Only one. That means what we are on what? 99.9 winning ratio? That's crazy. But I haven't analyzed gold yet. So here it is, gold. Look at what I told you on gold. This is what I told you on Saturday video. Look at this one right now as we speak. Gold is dropping. I know gold is bearish, guys. Gold is bearish. Let's do it from the beginning. What is the master trend? Boom, master trend is bearish. What is our brothers and sisters doing? Oh, it's going against us. It's fine. It's a PV. Now the real question comes in and asks, Irving, what is my 4 hours doing? Well, it seems the market 4 hours is going with the trend. That's what we want. We want to be only in a bearish position. If you go to the 5 minute, you are killing it. You are killing it on the 5 minute. Market is paying you currently. Look at this one. Here's the 5 minute. Look, this is what we saw on 4 hours. Look at this one. I'm telling you, market is bearish. Look at this. Boom. Because there was another trader that said, Irvin, everybody's going bullish. What should I do? Well, and I asked him, what was your master trend? He said, no, it's bullish. No, it's not. I said, the master trend is not bullish. He was looking into a PV. If you don't know how to trade PV, this is not gonna work for you, because PV will blow your account. You're gonna have more winning ratio going with the trend instead of going against. But look at now you're going with the trend. Look, market is dropping as we speak right now. This is real time. Look, let me blow it up. Look at that drop. Look, still dropping. This is gold. So someone asked me on YouTube, there's three people who wanted to know what was gold was doing. But I already gave you the analysis on Sunday. Told you gold was going to be in a bearish position. Look at that. So I knew the PV was there. I said market was going to come back and retest our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. Why did I say that? Because I saw this guy here. Perfect hit. Look at this one. Boom, 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 boom. Perfect. From there, I said the market was going to do what? I said the market, it was going to continue to be bearish. Now it's going to come back and disrespect this brothers and sisters here. Oh, actually, I see it here. There's another level here. So most likely it's going to come back to this level here. If it breaks this level, it's going to come back and retest this level here. From there, market's going to do a small pullback, retesting the second level, which is most likely is going to be for next week. Then finally, market will continue as bearish. That's all it is, man. It's very straightforward. Look at that. NCD USD has a sell signal. USD CHF has a buy signal. I told you, look at that monthly. Look at this. Look, I was just telling you a few minutes ago. This is the last day of the month. Look who's just showing up right now. This is weird. When this pop in, look at that. USD CHF just forms a new signal on the monthly. I told you. Either today or tomorrow, or by probably the second day of October, you're still gonna see a lot of new blue entry. But wait, Don't just go by the first arrow. Have full confirmation. And that's all I have, guys. So out of 12 or 11, we have only one going against us. So damn pretty good analysis, man. That's why my 2 trades that I took this week, I'm winning. I got no regret. I got no regret. And I'm gonna do it over and over week after week after week. Look at that, USD Max Peso. It has a bullish arrow on the 4 hours. I'm telling you, it's there. Oh, by the way, one thing before I let you guys go, if you guys gonna be scalping the market, this is what I would recommend you to do, guys. Turn off your, have one template only for scalping the market, but turn off your alert on the weekly and monthly, and only let the system to give you alert on the daily and 4 hours. So like that, when those signals get triggered on your phone, then all you gotta do is go to the 5-minute automatically and match it, and that's it. Okay, that is one thing that you could do. Or if you want to leave it as a default, it's fine, so you can get signal for everything. But if you, because like I said, I don't know what kind of traders you guys are in, if you are here scalping the market or going long term, but you have to find your niche. Okay, so that's all I have, guys. So if you did find it find value, make sure you destroy the like in there so it can help the algorithm of YouTube, and I can make more video on this one. But this is it. Look, this is the best video you're gonna ever see it on YouTube, guys. This video here make you real time money. This is real money here. We're in this world to make money so we can live a better life. Here it is. Now, you guys want to grab the multiple time frame for the YouTubers that are watching behind scene, the description is on the link. So come and join us, and let's make this hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. Thank you, guys. God bless you. If you guys don't have any question, if you do have any question, please unmute yourself. If not, thank you so much for coming in. Please watch the news, guys. To be honest, from now to the end of the year, market is going to be very weird. We are in elections. We don't know what to expect. So, hey, Sarah, you got any question?
Yes, please. You know, for scalping, what time is the best time to scalp?
Yeah, I scalp the market on New York and London session.
After London session?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
But
you.
to be honest, look, yeah. Right now New York is closing in what, 25 minutes, and then yeah. Sydney is gonna open. Yeah. So to be honest, right now market's still gonna be bearish.
Yeah.
So the system works.
Anytime.
It's just I don't know what kind of trader you are in. If you're gonna be scalping the market or going from brothers to sisters to brothers and sisters, I just don't know.
I think I'm getting better for brother and sister and scalping as well.
Oh, okay, so if you are both, that's good. But that's good. But hopefully,
you are so good so far. You are really, really good.
Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate it. Thank you. No problem. Mike, you got a question? I saw you unmute yourself.
Oh no, sir. I was just going to make sure I thank you before you went off the air.
Okay, cool. Thank you, guys. And so I will see you back. So we're still in touch behind scenes, but for the world that is watching YouTube, come and join us if you want, and let's make this money together. So thank you. God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.